Hello everyone, welcome back to TechnoChart's live trading session. I hope you are doing fine and we'll begin I will just start the session in some time. But regarding my current PNL, I'll just show you the current PNL that profit that is running right now. So the profit that is running right now is 1 lakh 10,000, 1 lakh 10,000 rupees, 11,000 rupees, and probably we'll end the day with great numbers around 1.5 lakh rupees or so. Yeah. Now the last expiry we talked in the last expiry during the last expiry stream हमने देखा था कि अराउंड सिक्स एक्सपायरी के टाइम पे हमको कुछ 15-17 हज़ार का लॉस था बट वी क्लोज द डे एट अराउंड 60,000 loss, right? So I hope everyone who is watching just put hi on the chat box so that I can understand whether how many people are there. And yeah, so if anyone has any queries as well, then just let me know about the queries as well. So this is my live PNL as of now, and the market has been completely sideways from a very long time. Market has been completely sideways from a very long time. As you can clearly see, it has been a completely seller's day. Option buying has made a loss today. Even positional option selling has made good amount of profit. And I have also started option positional option selling. तो मैंने अभी just option selling start की है. In case of positional, I had never done it. Let me just post it on Telegram that we have started the live session. एंड टिल देन अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चंस पूछना है तो आप पूछ लीजिए. हाय हाय, गुड इवनिंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, सॉरी, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. हर बार रात में सेशन लेने की आदत है. So the profits that are running is around 1 lakh 12,000. It's been constant as of now. New positions are were traded right now, and it's the capital that is deployed here is 1.3 CR. Okay, so this includes clients' capital as well as this includes my own personal capital of around I have deployed around 50 lakh rupees. Right? Hi, namaste everyone. Namaste, namaste. कैसे हो सब लोग? I hope everyone is doing fine and is great, right? Let me just share this live stream link with people so that more people can join basically, right? बाकी आप सब लोग क्या ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग करते हो, ऑप्शन सेलिंग करते हो कि ऑप्शन बाइंग करते हो बेसिकली अभी? हाँ, आप लोग ऑप्शन बाइंग करते हो कि ऑप्शन सेलिंग? हमारे ग्रुप में कितने सारे लोग हैं? Okay, I hope everyone has made a decent amount of money today in case of selling. And हम लोग कुछ एडवांस स्ट्रेटजीज के बारे में भी डिस्कस कर सकते हैं अगर आप चाहे तो, जिसके अंदर हम री एंट्री और री एग्जीक्यूट वाले जो फीचर्स हैं वो काफी अच्छे से काम करते हैं. स्पेशली ऑन एक्सपायरी डेज यू शुड बी यूजिंग फीचर्स लाइक री एग्जीक्यूट ऑन स्टॉक मॉक एंड yeah, so that is what कि अगर आप I do both weekly expiry selling. So I have just recently started weekly option selling. In case of positional intraday, I've been doing it from a long time now. And how many algos you have deployed today? So today I have deployed around 80 algos in Quantiply, and it has been working really fine for me. So today I have deployed around 80 lakh, 80 algos. If you want to open your algo, or if you want to open a link in Quantiply, so I'll just share the link with you. You can directly use this link and log in Quantiply and sign up here, right? So total algos that I've deployed are around 80 in all the accounts. So currently I trade in 6 to 7 accounts, and these are all client as well as my account. The client's account are basically on profit sharing basis, and the minimum capital that I take for clients are is 20 lakh rupees. But जो personal account है that I trade with around intraday I trade with around 45 lakh, and positionally I started just now, like last day only, yesterday only, and I positionally have invested uh, around 5 lakh rupees. Means 80 different strategy. No, I use around 14 different strategies only on expiry, but they are duplicated in all the accounts. So that is why you see 80 lakh, 80 different accounts here, 80 different algos. Sorry, my bad. Okay, and I'll tell you one more thing that right now, I, for people with around 2 to 4 lakh rupees capital, for people with around 2 to 4 lakh rupees capital, started I've just started I'm just planning to start the algo trading mentorship for a capital of 2 to 4 lakh rupees. And here in this, basically, we are going to discuss directional versus non-directional trading strategies, expiry special trading strategies to maximize return, and we'll talk about complete automation of these strategies on Quantiply. What are the do's and don'ts of algo trading, psychology and risk management, and how you can scale your option selling strategies as well. So basic focus would be on option selling strategies rather than buying, and a recording would be provided for these sessions. And basically, there would be two sessions, right? So there would be two sessions of 2 to 3 hours each, and I've just kept a minimum price of around 4,500. That is an early bird offer. So if you want to start, or if you want to start your trading journey and want that kind of support, basically, so you can use the link that I'm going to share. This would be a Telegram link, and you can use this link to for the payment, and you will be automatically added. So in case if you want to learn about option selling and you want uh, WhatsApp support for 3 months as well, so you can use the link. I'm going to share it with you. Right? Anyone has any queries till now? In algo trading, do we have to pay monthly fee? So yeah, generally there is a monthly fee of around 1,200 to 1,500 rupees, depending upon the number of algos that you run. Uh, won't it become difficult to manage those many algos if any error comes? You see, in case of error, the difficulty would be there. Definitely, difficulty would be there, and that's why I'm planning to hire people for managing these kind of algos. But as far as till now I'm concerned, I've not faced any kind of issue. Finvasia is working fine, right? So regarding the mentorship program of algo trading, basically, so the current price of this mentorship program would be 5,000 rupees. But if you use the link right now and join this mentorship, the discounted price is 4,500. So I've shared the discounted link as well, and yeah, use this link for payment, and hope to see majority of you, those who are trading with around 2 to 4 lakh rupees capital and want to start their algo trading journey. You'll be given complete support for algo trading. I can guarantee you about that. So regarding basic queries, from basic to advanced, we'll discuss many things, and this is suitable for people with 2 to 6 lakh rupees capital. For people more than this capital, you will have to I'll have a different mentorship program. Are you SEBI registered? I'm not SEBI registered. I have an NISM certification. So these are all. Let me tell you that I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. This Quantiply is algo trading platform. The broker that we support right now are Zerodha, Angel, Finvasia, and IFL Securities. All work great. That is not an issue. the current profit that is running. I hope can you see my screen clearly, or should I zoom in more? So I have just zoomed in right now, and now I hope you will be able to see my screen more in a much better manner. How to give money so that you can trade on our behalf. The minimum capital required for PMS is 20 lakh rupees. For 10 lakh rupees, I don't manage that money. Okay, so regarding that, you can use the payment link and join the mentorship program where we are going to discuss about 4 to 5 different strategies. And yeah, option buying strategies has given a loss of around 7K today. Option buying has been in DD right now for this month, and it has given us a loss, but option selling has consistently given money this month. So the low VIX environment is a problem for us in case of option buying accounts, but yeah, we are going to overcome that soon, and definitely let's see that we come out of the DD as soon as possible. For 6 lakh capital, how much in low VIX environment, how much return can we expect? See, returns can be depending upon the broker. If you use Shunya, you can expect around 3 to 4%, I would say, per month. 3% I would say would be a idealistic expectation on a smaller capital, because uh, the charges that would come is around 1% of your capital. So how does it work when you have to trade on our behalf? So in case your capital is more than 20 lakh, then in that case I generally take the credentials and uh, manage my algos into your own personal accounts. So regarding, if you want to inquire more about that and want to get on a call, just DM or call me on this number after the market hours, and I've shared the number. You can call me on this number. Right. So the profit that is currently running is around 1,30,000, and this is around more 1% of my capital right now. Hopefully by the end of the day we are going to close it at a much higher profit. And is option buying strategy included in this webinar? No, option buying strategies are not included in this webinar, because option buying is cannot be done if you have a smaller capital. You have to deploy only 10% of your capital in option buying. I have Pro Stocks. Any plan to integrate Pro Stocks broker? As of now, I have talked to Quantiply team. They are planning to introduce more brokers, but till that time, you can use Shunya for deploying your strategies. Right? So people with around 10 lakh rupees, with more lesser than 10 lakh, lesser than 6 lakh rupees capital, can definitely uh, join this mentorship program that I am starting as of now. This mentorship, I'll share the mentorship details in the Telegram group as well, and you can check out the details and join if you are interested to learn more about option selling in the mentorship program. So right now, some of the orders were punched. As you can clearly see, there is no execution error, and yeah. Can we pledge in Shunya broker for option selling? Yes, we can pledge in Shunya broker for option selling. That is not a problem. You can pledge in the Shunya broker for option selling. So as you can clearly see, some of the uh, algos have run. Some of the strategies have just started right now. Now, as you can clearly see, the name of my strategies, but apart from the strategies, option selling mostly is not about strategies. I can tell you guaranteedly that option selling involves a lot of things like psychology, like uh, like you can say how you manage the risk and all. The DD of my selling strategies is around 2% only. Okay, so DD around of my all the strategies on Thursday is maximum 2%. In case if I do not use hedge, if I use hedge, it is around 4%. If I use hedge and double the quantity, right? So how to manage error on Quantiply? On Quantiply, you can manage the error basically by you can manage the error by firstly there are many types of things that you can do to manage the errors. You can do manually in case in case the stop loss hasn't put has not been put by Quantiply, so you can put it manually, or you can just terminate the algo. Okay, so you can terminate the algo, or you can close the system as well. So there are many things, to be honest, on how do we manage the errors on Quantiply. We discuss about that in our WhatsApp group as well, right? So it depends from error to error. Sometimes we have to close the system, sometimes we just manually enter the stop loss. Sometimes what we can do is we just terminate the algo. So there are, depending upon the error that we see, we just manage the errors. Okay, so the profit that you can see currently right now is now touching 1,31,000 rupees, and it's been more than 1% on my deployed capital, more than 1% as of now. So this is the positional option selling algo that I'm running. Just started with 2 or 3 lots only, 4 lots only as of now, but it's been going great, and hopefully we'll make a lot of money by the end of the day. Right now, one more thing that I want to talk about with everyone is, so basically, if you are someone who wants to learn more about algo trading, or if you want to see people, those who are trading with crores of capital with me as well, and so Quants League or Markets League is coming up with a mega, you can say mega investing webinar or a series where we are going to discuss a lot about option selling, option buying, and there would be one-on-one mentorship as a bonus for people, those who are starting, or those who register for this program. Okay, so I have shared the link of this program as well in the description, or I will just share it with you right now as well. And most you will get all your queries solved here, and it would be a very interesting webinar, I would say. Okay, so currently they are offering a discount for Technochart subscribers, and this offer is valid only for a few days. So do go and join us in the live expiry sessions, in the live mentorship algo trading sessions as well. Okay, so the profit that is currently running is around 1,32,000 rupees. Uh, it's been going great, to be honest, and hopefully we'll close the day with, don't know, around 2 lakh rupees or so. Could be more, could be less. You never know, right? Any other queries regarding general queries that you want to ask regarding algo trading? Registration fee of Markets League webinar is around 9,000 rupees. Currently there's a discount going on. It would be 4 to 5 days, 5 days session, live session for in the market hours only. And so we are going to talk in the market hours for 5 days. We are going to discuss a lot of things, and that would be a very interesting session where you can ask your queries. You can get one-on-one mentorship as a bonus, and there are a lot of freebies that you'll get. Okay, it is a very affordable webinar, I would say. Around 25 panelists are going to come and discuss from a capital of 10 lakh rupees to 54 to 5 crores as well. Do you provide algos, or do we have to develop our own algo? I do provide algos. You do not have to worry about developing your own algos. Okay, so that is one thing that you can check it out. Okay, is market league this market league is it online? Yeah, it is online, and you can completely join it from anywhere you want. It is very completely online. Around 20 25 people are guests are coming, and they are going to discuss more about algo trading. So you can clearly see the benefits, the perks. There is an on-demand training module for you. You can get free access to Beckenzo. You will get free access to Sensible for 1 month. You can get trade automation and support for 45 days with the API integration as well. And you will also get the recording for all these 5 sessions as well. So I think so one should definitely look upon joining this session as well. Okay, so the profit, current profit that is running right now is around 1,40,000, and I mean you can clearly see the last time we were trading. The last time we were trading, there was, to be honest, there was a execution error that happened in my account, and I gave up. It costed me around 1 lakh rupees. Okay, I mean that is a part of system, but execution errors are going to happen time and again, and time and again the execution errors are going to happen. You have to live with that basically. Okay. Do you provide Python based algos or only Quantiply based? Currently, I do not provide any other Python based algos. I provide only Quantiply based algos because I do not have the knowledge of coding. And but if you want to have Python based algos, you can contact Python Trader on Twitter. So he may help you out with custom based algos if you want. Genuine guy. I mean, we are friends as well. So you can contact him on Twitter. Python Trader by the name of Python Trader. Okay. Or you can people call him Sadi Bhai as well. Any further queries regarding option buying? Option buying system, our option buying system currently is in DD. Definitely, option buying has been going bad. I would say not bad, but it is part of the system. The VIX has collapsed, and now VIX is trading around 15. So that is why there's no intraday movement as well, and there's no, I mean, there's no clear trend. That's why option sellers are making huge money, even though markets are or the premiums are less. Like today, the premiums that were there were around only at the money strike price was around 100, lesser than 100. Okay, so that is one thing that you have to remember. I mean, option buying will give you a tough time. Will give you definitely give you a tough time if you are doing only buying. But if you in case you are doing both buying and selling, then probably you can make a lot of money together, right? Any other queries that you want to ask? Above VIX 18, then option buying will give profit. See, it is not about the VIX, to be honest. It is about the market movement that we see. Currently, the VIX has also collapsed, and VIX is below 20, and there is no movement as well. So, it does not matter that if VIX is below 20, we are not going to make money. But there should be some kind of movement that should happen in the market. But as you can clearly see, let me just show you the Bank Nifty chart here. Bank Nifty chart, if you can clearly see that it's been completely sideways here. There was initial trend at the afternoon. Here, as you can clearly see, this is completely sideways, and then there's a trend. Here you can see markets are completely sideways from 11th of November to here. And there's not even a 1,000 point movement that has happened here till now. 400 points. The market has moved 400 points in the past 6 days here. And if you look at the daily time period, here, as you can clearly see, the market has been completely sideways from 24th of October. And all these trends that established, all these trends that happened were basically overnight. So in case markets opened overnight and then they moved completely sideways, that is what general happened in the recent past. So our majority of the profits have been locked, and a very good day is today. We are having a very good day. Most of the algos have closed. Now there are few algos that are running right now. that will, and few algos that are going to start basically. Now these are all hedge trades that we have bought, and basically it's been going good, right? If you, I mean, if you are learning something new, do hit the like button यार. आप लोग हाई लाइक बटन तो दबा ही सकते हो, एंड यू कैन शेयर द टेलीग्राम और आर यूट्यूब लिंक विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एज वेल. सो दिस इज द मोस्टली द बाइंग हेजेस लॉस दैट वी आर डूइंग. ये सब कुछ हेजेस का लॉस है. ये ऑप्शन बाइंग के लॉसेस हैं. ये ऑप्शन सेलिंग वाले जो स्ट्रेटजीज हैं वो बढ़िया कर रहे हैं हमारे. अभी हम कुछ देख लेते हैं मेरे अकाउंट में कौन से ट्रेड्स लाइव चालू है अभी फिलहाल. Okay, as you can clearly see, there are a lot of trades that are active right now as well. And if we check the most recent trade, what are the stats here? Okay, so here I have sold in the money options. Okay, here I have sold in the money options, and basically this is about selling in the money options. Okay, right. So I mean, there are a lot. I do sell in the money option. I sell out of the money. I sell at the money. I sell everything. Whatever I see on the chart, I do a combination and sell everything and make money. Any other queries? Sorry. Any other queries that you want to ask? I mean, it's been going good. Last expiry we made a loss of 60,000. This expiry we made double the money that we made. So to be honest, I'll tell you one thing. एक सच सच बात बताऊं, मेरा बस एक्सपायरी का टारगेट है इन अ ईयर अराउंड 40-45%. I want to make only 40, not only, I want to make 40-45% in a year only on the expiry days, to be honest. And I have designed the system in such a way that it can give me 40-45% return in a year only on expiry. And the rest of the other days, my target is to make only 10-20%, 20% probably on the rest of the other days. Any, what is your plan about how do you want to what is the general target that you make do it in a year? आपको क्या लगता है कि एक साल में एक ऑप्शन सेलिंग अकाउंट से एक ऑप्शन सेलर कितना बना सकता है? हाँ, how much do you think an option seller can make in a year? Currently the P&L that we see on the chart, now you will see the orders will get punched here within a minute. How fast is the execution? The total number of lots that I trade in a day are around 175 lots total in a day on Thursday. 40 to 50%, yeah, 40 to 50%. Oh shit, I got an margin shortfall error in some of the account, I guess. I got a margin shortfall in Angel account here. So, okay, I've got a margin shortfall error in Angel broking here. ये कौन सा एंजल ब्रोकिंग का अकाउंट है? ओके शिट, हाउ डू आई मैनेज दिस? Okay, due to the this is a margin error, margin shortfall only by some points here. So this is my personal account, so I it does not matter to me. I'm not going to buy an hedge as of now for this. I'll just terminate. I'll go for this now. If live stream would not be there right now, अगर live stream नहीं होता तो मैं शायद I would have what I can do is I will just duplicate it and do it with one lot here. 1 second, कहाँ गया वो? या इसको मैं वन लॉट से ट्रेड करूंगा अब. नाउ दिस इज हाउ, सो इट डिपेंड्स कि यार ये मार्जिन शॉर्टफॉल एरर आया कैसे और क्यों. सो द मार्जिन शॉर्टफॉल एरर केम ओनली बाय स्लाइड, जनरली डज नॉट हैपन, बट आज आ गया एंजल ब्रोकिंग में. एंजल ब्रोकिंग का नाटक है ये. तो आई विल जस्ट डू इट इन, ओके आई विल जस्ट डन इट. Yeah, so I'm trading that with one lot rather than two lots because I've got a margin shortfall error in that account basically. So इसको हम आज के लिए फिर हमारा इसमें एक फर्स्ट टाइम आ गया मार्जिन शॉर्टफॉल. द फर्स्ट टाइम आई ट्रेडेड विथ हेजेस आई गॉट मार्जिन शॉर्टफॉल इन ऑल द अकाउंट्स. पहली बार जब मैंने हेजेस के साथ में बाय किया था तो आई हैड गॉट मार्जिन शॉर्टफॉल इन मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द अकाउंट्स. आई हैड टू मैनेज देम मैनुअली. How much is the max loss? On Thursday, my max loss is around 2.5%. If I lose, I lose around 2.5%. But it is rare. Happened only one time. Win ratio of my option selling is on Thursday is around 85%. Okay, win ratio of my option selling account is uh around 85%. I just want a more sideways expiry right now. Last expiry we got a up move on the upper side. If we get, if we have a completely sideways expiry na, it would be best. All my options would go to zero there. Matlab, as a trader, you know that whatever you think does not is not going to happen 100% of the times, but you still want to have that kind of feeling where you know this error is closed, so I'll just close this, disable this. Any further queries that you want to ask? For any kind of algo related services, you can directly message me on this number or you can call me after market hours. Anything related to this, anything related to algo trading, you can basically message me. और कोई क्वेरी आपको पूछना है? 50 to 60%, सबको 50 से 60% चाहिए एक महीने में, एक साल में, सॉरी. नाइस वन. होपफुली होपफुली इफ यू आर एबल टू मेक कंपाउंडिंगली, अगर हम देखें, अगर हम बनाते हैं तो मेरे हिसाब से ज्यादा भी बना सकते हैं इफ वी डू कंपाउंडिंग ऑन दैट कैपिटल. This expiry has been really smooth. God's grace, by God's grace, this expiry has been really smooth, to be honest, till now. And this is the positional algo that I'm running. I don't know why it did not stop. What is the end time here? Okay, I just started positional trading. If you have been trading positionally, then do let me know how is your positional trading going. And to be honest, I'm compounding my profits really fast. Do you want to know how? If you want to know how basically, as soon as my profits touch, okay, if my profits increase by 50,000 or 50,000 basically, or 1 lakh rupees, I directly double I increase two lots in the strategy on Thursdays, because in 1 lakh you can short, uh, in 1 lakh you can basically sell one lot, 1 lakh rupees one lot. And अगर आप hedge थोड़ा extra buy करोगे, तो you can sell two lots in 1.5 lakh as well, but you need to buy a bigger hedge then. So I mean, you can compound your profits really fast in that case. And you can definitely, other days profit you can add it, and you can use that for the trading on expiry. Now, if you are an algo trader, what platform do you use? Uh, our viewers, what platform do you use for algo trading? I use Quantiply only for my trades. There might be many people, those who might be using. How can we replicate your algo strategies in our Quantiply account? You can directly, if your capital is around more than 8 lakh rupees, you can directly subscribe to one of my algos, and you can directly subscribe to my algos, and you'll get the uh, strategies in your Quantiply account. You'll have to code it. You will get the strategies in to you in the form of PDF, and you can directly copy it in your Quantiply. It becomes discretionary at that point. What becomes discretionary at what point? Okay, the profits have touched 1,43,000, 1,44,000, and we are running with around 1.5 lakh rupees. Not exactly, but yeah, soon we'll touch. Most probably around 1.5 lakh rupees. And my highest profit till now has been around 1.45 lakh rupees in a day. All right. So hopefully we'll make newer highs in the profit as well. And uh, it becomes discretionary at that point if you keep changing the lots. Might we do, might as well do manually. How much capital deployed now? The capital that is deployed right now is 1.25 cr. Okay, and it does not become manual, to be honest. See, it is not discretionary. We are just increasing the position sizing for as we increase the profits. You know how people are able to make 100% a year because of compounding their profits. Now, see, for the strategies, I have shared many strategies in my YouTube account as well, YouTube channel as well. You can check out the YouTube channel. Or if you want paid strategies, you can DM me on the number that I've shared, and you'll get all kinds of strategies for various capital as well. So I've shared the number, that is 7674007938. Right? It's a mix of different strategies. A lot of combinations has been tried and tested, and we trade. What all strategies do you follow in option selling for algos? Basically, especially on Thursdays, I try to make non-directional strategies, and I try to make directional as well. So how do I make directional? In that case, I trade in the money options and use smaller stop losses for getting a directional, getting a directional trade there, right? So for non-directional, I trade probably at the money. I trade out of the money as well. Uh, which quant? Huh. So the variety of strategies I use with re-entry, re-execute, and currently Quantiply does not have a re-execute on target, but soon I will be starting strategies once they get that feature. I'll be starting like auto adjusted strangles and straddles. Which Quantiply plan are you using? I use semi pro plan plus I subscribe to 75 algos extra. Currently I use 80 algos on Thursday, and normal days I use around 55 60, 55 60, I would say. uh, this is a cost that this is a small cost that I pay for. This is a very small cost that I pay for running the strategies, I would say. I mean, the execution is great and everything is fine. I do not have to worry about anything else. So, and there's a constant support from Abhi as well, the uh, CEO of Quantiply. So, I mean, I use that. Do we need to code it in Quantiply? See, you do not have to code it in Quantiply. There are basic features that you can watch a video on. You can see a video on basics of Quantiply on the YouTube channel, on my YouTube channel. So you can watch that. It's a very easy platform. It's a very easy platform that you can trade. So the profits have touched around 1.5 lakh rupees, the highest profit till now. I mean, it's been the highest profits till now. Most of the work lies outside of the market hours. Uh, Probably I have a feeling that we are going to close it at 2 lakh plus today. I don't know why, but I think so. We should be closing it at closing at 2 lakh plus. Last expiry there was a huge last expiry there was some great execution error happened in few of my account, and that costed me around 1 lakh rupees. I said so the overall loss in my account was 50K, but there was a 50K profit if the execution would have been fine. So the execution error was from Finvicia. There was a slight delay in order placement, and that is why the price changed, and I mean that bad thing happened with me. So I mean this month would have been really great. I would have been 5% today, but sadly, I mean that's all part of system. And yeah. Now, see, if you want live practical support of algo trading, and if you are a trader with around 2 to 6 lakh rupees capital and want to start your algo trading journey, then you can subscribe or you can join our mentorship program. This is a very small mentorship. Uh, it's a very small mentorship program that I have started only for 2 days, where we are going to discuss for around 4 to 6 hours live session on Saturday and Sunday. This is ideal for people those who are having a capital of basically uh, having a capital of around 4 to 6 lakh rupees. So आपका अगर ये कैपिटल है तो आप इस वेबिनार के लिए आप अटेंड कर सकते हो, एंड currently you are getting a discount. So if you use the payment link or if you join immediately within a day or so, you can get a discount of 500 rupees, and the price is very minimum, and it has been kept at around 4,500 rupees, right? So you will get complete support, and you can ask our premium members of algo trading that they get support 24/7, even at 1 a.m. in the 1 a.m. at the night. They'll mostly you'll get a reply as well. So the only you will not get reply only from 2 o'clock to 8 o'clock, only for 6 hours. Then you'll get 18 hours support definitely. Rohit is there, one of our subscribers who is there, I think so, in the premium membership group. Anilji is there. There are a lot of people those who have joined from the premium membership. So it's 1,54,000 right now, and still going on. 1,56,000. Bhai Sahab, this is one of the highest. It's been going great. It's been going great. Okay, so the straddles are giving me a loss right now, and this re-execute strategy is giving me a loss. Why? What happened? Okay, basically, okay, there's nothing to lose here, and I'm losing here. Okay, I mean, a small price that I'll have to pay. That's it. Nothing else. Nothing to worry about. To be honest, it's all part of system. We do not touch the system, even if you know that you're going to lose money. For the mentorship program of the mini mentorship program that we are having, the support is for the support is for 3 months. So we have got our SLs hit here. Not a worry, not a worry. We do not have to panic. We do not have to worry about anything. Even if we lose our profits here, that is all a part of system. How much manual work is required with Algo? There is no manual work required with Algo. Only you have to just track your positions like every 1 hour or so. Okay, you need to have calm composure while trading. You cannot let panic come over you if you even if you are trading, even if you are having any kind of errors. तो कभी भी डरना नहीं है. अगर समझो कोई एरर आता है, कोई कुछ भी होता है, तो डर के मारे सिस्टम को बंद नहीं करना है. Many people have done, from people, my algo trading subscribers, those who have taken strategies from me, they have done 1 or 2 times and they have paid huge prices. They closed the system because they were sitting at a loss. But if the same system gave a profit till the end of the day, if they would have held that position, so the positions went into zero. All the strategies made the profit at till the end of the day. So you do not have to panic कि यार अगर मैं इतने बड़े प्रॉफिट में हूं अभी, तो ये प्रॉफिट चला जाएगा. Okay, so the profit has from 1,50,000 for 1,55,000, the profit has now touched towards 1,40,000 here. Raji, please, if you can, if it's possible for you to call on the number that I've shared, that would be great. We can have a telephonic contact, telephonic phone call here. Obviously, I use SL in all my strategies. There is no strategy that I trade without any SL. All of the strategies have SL 100%. If anyone wants to inquire more about algo trading strategies, you can use the number that I've shared. You can call me after the market hours. Right? More 10 minutes of the session that we have right now. Let's see. Okay, so you do not have to worry about anything. I will tell you. In the end, market is designed in such a way that it will reward the consistent and the disciplined people. The hedge cost that I'm paying right now here is around 4,000 rupees as of now. Here I'm paying a hedge cost as a 4,000 rupees. Here they are paying around 3,000. Around 4,000 is the average hedge cost. पोजिशनल ट्रेडिंग अभी बंद हो गया. नहीं, चालू है पोजिशनल. हाँ, चालू है अभी भी. यस यस, आई फॉरगॉट. हम पोजिशनल का पोजीशन चेक करते हैं. ये है हमारा पोजिशनल ट्रेडिंग का. ओके, पोजिशनल ट्रेडिंग का जो हमारा प्रॉफिट है अराउंड 9,700 के आसपास है. टारगेट हिट ऑन वन लेग. Target is hit on one leg. The other leg is open right now. So we have booked around 7,000 here. अगर मेरा जो प्रॉफिट था वो 1,56,000 से 1,39,000 चला गया, 1,39,000 से अब 1,46,000 आ गया फिर से, तो हाँ, it's all good. You just have to be patient. That's it. Keep calm and let the system run. The option buying strategy that I've shared is at a loss. Okay, there we are in currently in a DD of around 40K on 1 lakh rupees capital, 1.5 lakh rupees capital. So around हमारा DD के पास में है, historical DD के आसपास में हम चल रहे हैं वैसे तो, but yeah. Do you use Algo to trade in stocks? No, I do not use Algo to trade in stocks. I currently do not have an Algo to trade in stocks, but I don't have plans as well. See, the profits have touched again 1,50,000 even after our stop loss getting hit and markets moving up. It's all part of system. Do not have to worry, right? I hope you are learning something new regarding psychology, regarding risk management, regarding entry exit. You might be getting some of the ideas on how I trade through these live sessions. If you are getting the idea, then do hit the like button यार. आप लोग लाइक कर सकते हो, वीडियो को शेयर कर सकते हो आपके दोस्तों के साथ में. I mean, I'm spending 1 hour daily for the almost every alternate day for the live sessions, bringing out something new that generally these all things that I talk about, no one has talked in any of the sessions that I've seen on YouTube. If anyone would have talked about these things, then I would have saved a lot of money. So these are all my learnings that I've done on my capital. I've paid the price to the markets. I've done a lot of trial and error and everything, and that is why I'm able to help you all regarding this. How do you manage euphoria when in good profit as it comes with regret when in loss? See, I'll be honest with you. I have seen 1 lakh rupees profit getting wiped out and closing the day at 40,000, 45,000. 1 lakh rupees profit getting wiped out and closing the day at 40, 45,000. I have seen 50,000 profit turned into 40, 45,000 rupees loss. Last expiry at one point of the time I was it at 50,000 profit. Closed the day I closed the day with 60,000 loss. So, I mean, once you are, see, at the end of the day, it all comes back to discipline. Only the disciplined traders are going to make money. So, let's say that on that day, जो 50,000 का प्रॉफिट था वो लॉस में गया 60,000 के. एक और ऐसा दिन भी था जहां पे 50,000 का प्रॉफिट था जो 25,000 के लॉस में गया, एंड दैट डे क्लोज एट 1.5 लाख रुपीज प्रॉफिट. So from 50K to minus 25K to 1,50,000, 1,45,000 profit. It's the you will only get conviction once you start trading. बैक टेस्टिंग में एवरीथिंग लुक्स गुड. जब तक आप ट्रेडिंग में लाइव ट्रेडिंग में अपना पैसा नहीं डालोगे जब तक कोई फायदा नहीं है. So all the live experience that I have, I'm going to share it in the mentorship program as well. For the mini mentorship program that we have started for people with around 4 to 6 lakh capital. You can join that. Do not miss this wonderful session. I can guarantee you are going to save a lot of money, more money than the mentorship program, and you are going to make more money than the mentorship program. That I can guarantee you 100%. So capital deployed here was 4 lakh rupees, and I made 40,000, 14,000, 15,000 rupees on 4 lakh. This is buying. This is positional algo. 4 lakh rupees is the deployed capital and 15,000 rupees is the profit here. This is the option positional algo. Okay. सक्सेस रेशियो कितना है भाई? सक्सेस रेशियो मेरे ऑप्शन सेलिंग स्ट्रेटेजीज नॉर्मल डे का है 70% और थर्सडे का है 85%. ओके. I hope you learned a lot of things and we are now coming towards the end of this trip. So जाने से पहले एक लाइक ठोको ताकि मोटिवेशन मिले, और ऐसे अगर लाइव सेशन चाहिए तो डेफिनेटली इस वीडियो पे लाइक करो और शेयर करो हमारे पास, सभी के पास में, आपके सभी दोस्तों के साथ में. थैंक यू. हैव अ ग्रेट डे. हैव अ ग्रेट एक्सपायरी. होप एवरीवन मेक्स मनी or hope everyone has made money, I would say. And you can use the payment link here for joining the mentorship program for a capital of 2 to 6 lakh rupees. We are going to discuss a lot of things, a lot of strategies, around 4 to 5 strategies, and how to make around 30-40% a year on a smaller capital. On bigger capital, we can make 50-60%. Right? Thank you. Have a great day. Have a great Thursday.